How to fix Eufy Doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you can simply do is scroll down the status bar and tap on the airplane mode. So make sure that you tap on the airplane mode and for a few seconds, and after that toggle off this option. Next, what you can do is simply go to the settings application on your device, and as you tap on settings, land into your Wi-Fi section over here and make sure that you have connected to the correct network. After that, you can just go back and tap on the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Eufy security and the doorbell options over here. And then you can, if this does not solve the issue, you can just make a long press on the power button and then tap on the reboot option and restart the device, and this might as well fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.